Sensex and Nifty opened at record highs after exit polls predicted landslide victory for the BJP. Both Nifty 50 and Sensex surged nearly 3%, reaching record highs. Adani Group stocks continued their surge for the second consecutive session on June 3rd, mirroring the bullish trend in Indian equities. Shares of Shriram Finance climbed over 8% in trade after the lender raised a multi-currency social loan worth $425 million through a syndicated term loan transaction. Shares of IRB infrastructure developers leaped over 13% to Rs 74.6 on June 3rd on reports that the center is likely to increase road toll charges between 3% and 5%. Japan Airlines on Monday has said that it has entered into a code-share arrangement with Indigo, which would help the Japanese carrier expand their services to 14 destinations of the domestic carriers network. Let's take a deeper look into the top developments today. Sensex and Nifty opened at record highs after exit polls predicted a landslide victory for the BJP. Both Nifty 50 and Sensex surged nearly 3%, reaching record highs of 23,338.70 points and 76,738.89 points respectively. All 13 major sectoral indices were in the green. Nifty Energy, Nifty PSU Bank, and Nifty Realty were on the top gainers, each rising 4 to 5%. Nifty Pharma and Nifty Healthcare saw the smallest gains, with both indices increasing by 1.2%. Adani Group stocks continued their surge for the second consecutive session on June 3rd, mirroring the bullish trend in the Indian equities. The increased trading volumes contributed to a significant rise, adding over Rs 2.6 lakh crores to the group's market capitalization over the two sessions. On Monday, the Adani Enterprises jumped 7%, Adani Energy Solutions jumped 8%, Adani Ports and Cess gained 9%, Adani Power up 12%, Adani Energy 7%, Adani Total Gas rose 7%, while NDTV gained 5%. Shares of Shriram Finance climbed over 8% in trade on June 3rd after the lender raised multi-currency social loan worth $425 million through a syndicated term loan transaction to fund its business growth. Initially structured as $200 million social loan facility, this deal witnessed significant interest from the syndication market. The final lender group expanded to include 16 lenders from Europe, the US, Asia, and Africa. Shares of IRB infrastructure developers leaped over 13% to Rs 74.6 on May 3rd on reports that the center is likely to increase road toll charges between 3% and 5% after putting the annual increase on hold in April due to the country's general election. The stock has been on a remarkable run, rocketing a massive 75% since the start of the year. Japan Airlines on Monday said it has entered into a core-share arrangement with Indigo, which would help the Japanese carrier expand services to 14 destinations of the domestic carriers network. It offers daily flight services to the national capital from Haneda Airport, while its thrice-a-week services to Bengaluru are operated from Narita Airport.